Gentoo install, I will become a god.
Yeah, boy.
Today is the day. No more Ubuntu baby Linux. No more it just works. Today, I install Gentoo. I will compile everything myself. I will understand my system. I will ascend. Stage 3 tarball downloaded. Yes. Yes. The machine obeys me. Other people use binaries because they are weak. I use source-based because I am intelligent. Okay. Compiling. This might take a few hours. That's fine. I don't need sleep. Sleep is for arch users.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
One eternity later.
What is that? Warning, circular dependency detected. Haha. That's probably nothing. Part 5. What? No. I followed the wiki. I followed the wiki. The wiki never lies. Okay. Just need to tweak use flags. That's normal. Everyone tweaks use flags. I am still in control. Why is it dumping core? I didn't ask IT to dump core. I just wanted a minimal system. Maybe binaries aren't so bad. No. Not yet. Gentoo glib failed compile.